Turkeys are large birds found in North America. They live in forests, close to meadows, and grasslands. They have excellent eyesight, which helps them survive. Their eyesight helps them detect danger, find food, fly safely, and attract mates. Like all birds, vision is their most important sense. Birds' eyes are similar to human eyes. Light enters through the cornea and lens. It then focuses on the retina in the back of the eye. The retina turns the light into signals for the optic nerve. The optic nerve sends these signals to the brain. Although turkeys and humans have similar eyes, they see things differently. A turkey's vision is 3 times sharper than ours. All birds can change the shape of their cornea and lens with special muscles. Mammals, like humans, cannot do this. This adaptation helps them see their surroundings quickly. Birds also have a third eyelid called a nictitating membrane. This clear eyelid acts like a windshield wiper, cleaning dust off the eye. It blinks about 90 times a minute, keeping a turkey's vision crisp. Turkeys' outer eyelids only close when they sleep. The retina contains photoreceptors that detect light and send signals to the brain. These signals help with color vision. Turkeys' highly sensitive retinas give them excellent color vision. They can see beyond the human's visible light spectrum. While humans have 4 types of photoreceptors, turkeys have 7. Scientists think turkeys can see ultraviolet light. Turkeys easily see non-natural colors like blue, black, and white. This helps them spot predators and recognize the colors of possible mates. There is a simple way to tell a predator from a prey. Eyes in the front, I like to hunt. Eyes on the side, I like to hide. Human eyes face forward. Our eyes work together to see the world in 3 dimensions. We call this binocular vision because our brains combine the images from both eyes. Binocular vision helps us judge distances. However, we cannot see above or behind us without moving our heads and eyes. Even then, we miss about 30% of what is around us. In contrast, turkeys have monocular vision because their eyes are on the sides of their heads. Each eye works separately and they can't move their eyes like humans. Turkeys turn their heads constantly to pick up movement. They see almost 100% of what is around them. Monocular vision is important for turkeys to avoid danger. Turkeys see 8 times farther and more clearly than humans. This helps them to spot mates and predators from far away. However, their monocular vision makes it hard to judge how far away things are. Turkeys can't see well in the dark and have poor night vision. For safety, they sleep high in trees at night. While scientists are still learning about turkeys' senses, we know they use hearing and their incredible eyesight to survive. This video brought to you by Kimberly Scott Science. Check out the video description for the corresponding reading passage, lesson activities, and a hands-on exploration.